Enabling viral power tools in your website. Congratulations on your newly created viral website. You got through all the initial steps. Installing and setting up your website with WordPress, installing a cool, fully functional viral theme, learned about plugins, and which are the best ones available to be used on a viral website created with WordPress. In this video, we have decided to give you a helping hand and guide you through the process of setting up viral power tools that your website needs to keep the eyeballs of visitors engaged and the quality traffic coming. We're going to use tools that focus on two key attributes of a viral website: website optimization for search engines and social engagement. These tools are easy to implement and use, and you won't need to write code or do complex technical stuff. Just use the following steps to enable these viral power tools in your website. Website optimization for search engines. You'll need to optimize both your website and your content to rank appropriately in search engine results. We're going to show you a tool that you can use on your WordPress website to rank higher and get indexed by search engines such as Google and Bing. Yoast SEO. The first tool in our arsenal is the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a fully fledged search engine optimization tool for your viral website. This plugin will allow you to optimize your content on the go, giving you insights on how to write the best titles, meta descriptions, and content to be properly ranked on search engine results. Just head to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, search for the plugin using the Yoast SEO keyword, click on Install Now, and then on Activate. Once you install this plugin, you can go to the SEO tab on your left to leverage its power. Click on Dashboard to enter the plugin's configuration panel. There are two important tabs to check the first time you use it. First, go to Your Info. There you'll have to enter a website name that will appear when your content is shown in search engine results pages. We recommend you enter the name of your website, plus a brief description separated by a hyphen. Below you can specify if your site operates as a company or as a person. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Now, go to the Webmaster Tools tab. There you'll be able to verify your site on the most popular search engines without much hassle. Just follow the link to each of your Webmaster Tools accounts, sign in, and follow the instructions. Finally, don't forget to familiarize yourself with the rest of the optimization options available from this tool, such as social media integration and XML sitemaps. Social engagement. You need to make engagement and sharing an easy task for your viral website visitors, and these might just be the right power tools for you. Shareaholic. The Shareaholic plugin is a tool that will optimize your viral website to get tons of social media shares. Just look it up using the Add New feature in the Plugins tab. Use the Shareaholic keyword to find it. Click on Install and then Activate. To start getting all those shares and comments, simply go to the Shareaholic tab in your dashboard. There you'll be able to configure related and promoted content, share buttons, and monetization. For the purposes of this training, we will only configure share buttons and will leave the other options as they came. You want people to share your viral content, so you'll have to check the Above Content and the Below Content boxes in the Post sections. Uncheck all the other ones and click on Save Changes. Facebook comments. Most people will likely see your viral content when connected to Facebook, so having a Facebook comments box in your site is as resourceful as having all those social sharing buttons, which brings us to our last tool. Look up, install, and activate the Facebook Comments plugin from your dashboard. That's it. You now have a Facebook comments box for each viral post in your viral site. You can configure your Facebook comments box by going to Plugins, clicking on Installed Plugins, and then on the Settings button located under the plugin name. That's all for now, but stay with us and see how you can find viral content to get inspired before you create your first viral posts. Welcome to Section 3 of our Viral Marketing video training. In this section, we will talk about getting viral ideas before creating your first post, the anatomy of a viral post, and posting your viral content like a pro. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Getting viral ideas before creating your first post. Although we told you that viral content needs to be emotional to become viral, there is not too much that can be said about what is bound to become viral. There is not a surefire way to know if something will become wildly popular just by looking at it. Things that seem insignificant can become huge overnight hits without anybody seeing it coming. The same happens with stuff that looks like the kind of thing that is supposed to make a lot of noise online, but never quite manages to do so. The good news is that there is so much content online that you can just go and take a peek at what can become viral to get ideas before creating a would-be viral post. This video mainly deals with ways in which you can spy on trending topics to get a fresh idea about the things that you can capitalize upon at any given moment in time, because something that is in everybody's mouth today won't be there tomorrow, so you better get prepared for it. Let's get started with some truly useful tips. You know what's sad? Arriving late to any party. It's worse to get there when everyone has already left. To leverage the power of a piece of potentially viral content, you need to put a foot forward and get in the know. There are plenty of online sources that will allow you to browse trending topics. We recommend you use one called buzzsumo.com. This website allows its visitors to use any type of keyword to see how it relates to trending topics. You'll enter a keyword in the search bar, and buzzsumo.com will show you the results related to that keyword. The first results that you'll see are the posts that have become viral on social media. You'll be able to filter your results by date, language, country, and content type. Another great place to look at what is trending now is Google Trends. You can access the service by going to google.com/trends. On the front page, you'll see data gathered from the most popular topics for the present date, and you can scroll down to see what stories are trending now around the web. You can select a category and a country to filter trending stories. And you can use the search bar on top to look up trending stories related to a given keyword. You'll get statistical data and the countries where that keyword is more popular, as well as topics related to that keyword. Our final recommended source is Reddit.com. Reddit's own headline is the front page of the internet, and with reason. On Reddit, you'll find basically anything you might be after. With every occurrence sprouting first in the most popular message board on the planet, it is easy to gauge if something is about to go viral by just taking a look at people's reaction to it. It is also a great gateway to share your viral stories. Going wildly viral with StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon is another little hidden gem in the world of online marketing. Often misunderstood by marketers as a tool to pass time based on how it looks, StumbleUpon is a discovery website that has been designed to feed content to its users based on their stated interests when they sign up to use the site. Well, check this out. It works on the same principles of a social network website, which means that StumbleUpon is a type of custom search engine with social networking features. That also means that content on StumbleUpon goes viral the same as it would on Facebook. Web content, photos, and videos are shared by peer sourcing, meaning that if the content is great, the advertising comes for free. You can see this in action every time you log into StumbleUpon. You'll see featured content served to you according to your interests. When you click on the Stumble button, a new piece of content will load. This piece of content will feature some useful information with an accompanying image or video and text. It will also include a link to an external website, which means that your viral website will get traffic through these StumbleUpon posts too. Now, when you and other users are served this content, you'll have 3 ways to interact with it. You'll make it go viral or just outright prevent it from doing so. In the top left corner, you'll have a like, a dislike, and a share button. When users click on like, content gets spread further, and more content from the creator and from that category will be served to you. When users click on share, content can be shared on Facebook and Twitter with the click of a button, including to other users in the StumbleUpon platform. Finally, if users click on dislike, content gets gradually taken back, so you have to avoid showing undesirable or low-quality content to avoid getting dislikes. As you can see, StumbleUpon is a great place to upload your viral content thanks to the way it works, and it is quite easy to do so. Have your content URL ready before you get started and log into your StumbleUpon profile. Click on the Add Page button. A small window will appear for you to enter your viral page's information. First, add your URL in the web address field. Then specify if it is safe for work by checking either yes or no. In the Search Interests field, you'll need to specify which niche your page fulfills. Your page will appear to people that have marked these interests. Finally, add tags to make your page easier to find and click on Save. That's it. You can check how your page will appear to others in your profile and start adding others as well. Remember, only great, useful content alongside catchy images will get you a top spot in StumbleUpon. Welcome to Section 5 of our Viral Marketing Video Training. In this section, we'll talk about profiting from affiliate offers, profiting from Google AdSense, and profiting from content marketing platforms. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Profiting from affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing, for those unfamiliar with the term, is a form of marketing that pays advertisers for performance. In this case, performance refers to when an advertiser drives customers through a sales funnel to make a purchase from a vendor. There are two parties involved in affiliate marketing: publishers and advertisers. Publishers are the vendors of the product in need of promotion, and advertisers are the people advertising the product in order to drive sales. Publishers delegate the marketing aspect of their business to advertisers in exchange of a fee paid to the advertisers based on a percentage of the base price of the product. For example, you can dedicate a section of your viral website to Amazon products. You can create a separate post for certain products, redirect visitors to the Amazon product page, and get paid every time someone makes a purchase. It works as easy as that. The only thing you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program online and start profiting. Viral marketing is a great way to market products to sell through affiliate channels because it spreads quickly and is cost-effective. People will promote your product for you just like they would promote a piece of viral content. Here are some of the best affiliate channels to deliver great viral marketing campaigns. CPA. CPA is short for cost per acquisition or cost per action, where an acquisition refers to a new client acquired for a business and an action refers to an action initiated by a customer, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service. Each product or service offered is known as a CPA offer and can only be accessed through CPA networks. CPA networks are where advertisers can sign up to get access to CPA offers to promote. Among the most popular networks are Max Bounty and Peerfly. Amazon. Amazon.com has an awesome affiliate program called Amazon Associates. You can sign up for the program to start promoting Amazon products on your page. Payout rates start at 4% and go up to 8% for each product a customer buys when referred from your site. Simply link to the products on Amazon through a well-presented post and get ready to make a buck. ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate marketplaces on the internet, with more than 17 years of experience in the affiliate niche. It has a library of over 6 million products and a customer base of over 200 million people around the world. Sign up as a digital marketer to start promoting products from the ClickBank catalog and start earning commissions as high as 75%. Choose the products that you want to sell, get paid on time, and develop partnerships to increase your income. JVZoo. JVZoo is another highly profitable affiliate marketplace that provides the network, the tools, and the essential solutions to build a successful internet business. JVZoo offers affiliates instant payments, secure payment plan options, a sales funnel generator, and seamless integration to incorporate everything you need to operate in one place. Profiting from Google AdSense. Have you ever wondered what most of the viral and niche websites out there do to make money and how they keep themselves running? The answer is paid advertising. You have already been exposed to paid advertising each time you visit your favorite website. Check your favorite content, and you can see how it is surrounded by ads in different forms, placements, and shapes. Most likely, those ads are being served by the AdSense platform, which is a paid advertising service provided by Google. It also works as a free monetization service for website owners to leverage their website's content and space to turn a profit by showing ads. Google gets paid by advertisers each time any AdSense ads are clicked. The website owner profits from Google's revenue because Google splits what it earns from advertising with website owners signed to the AdSense account. Of course, it is not enough to only show AdSense ads in your site to make a profit. You need lots of high-quality traffic in order to profit from AdSense revenue. If you're not getting enough traffic, you will not get enough clicks, and you only get paid for clicks on the ads shown in your site. So the more visitors click your ads, the better. Just go to the sign-up form at google.com/AdSense. Sign in using your Google account. Enter your website address when prompted, enter your personal information, and submit your application. On average, Google will take a week to let you know if your site qualifies and your AdSense account is approved. As long as your site complies with their policies and offers great relevant content to its visitors, you will not have a problem getting the approval. Just make sure that your viral website has the following pages. An About Us page. We are pretty sure that you already thought about including this section in your site, even without us telling you to do so, but it's worth a reminder. An About Us page is dedicated to carefully explaining what your site is about and what visitors can expect to find on it. A Contact page. Having a contact page on your site is also important for Google to approve your site to participate in the AdSense program. Your contact page should contain a mandatory email address where visitors can contact you, as well as other channels that you might like to add. A privacy policy page. This is the section that the AdSense team will pay the most attention to, because this is the page where you are going to tell your visitors that you use the AdSense platform to serve them ads, as well as specify how you use the information collected from them. All right, now your AdSense account has been approved and you can start showing AdSense ads in your site. How can you do that? There are 2 easy ways to do so. The first one is to copy the AdSense codes from your AdSense account and go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Appearance tab and click on Widgets. Scroll down and click on Text. Choose where you would like to place the AdSense ad from the code in your site, which will depend on the options provided by the theme of your choosing. Then click on Add Widget. Paste the code from your AdSense account in the content field and click on Save. Now, the ads will appear on your site. The second option is to download the official AdSense plugin for WordPress. Simply go to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, and use the AdSense keyword in the Search Plugin search bar. Now, look for the plugin, install it, and activate it. To use the AdSense plugin, go to the Settings tab in the menu on the left and click on AdSense. You'll be asked to sign into your Google account to sync your AdSense account with your site, so you can start inserting ads directly from your WordPress editor.